Greetings folks, it has been suggested by a few of my clever viewers that the Mini Surfer would be a good plane to try and get under 250 grams. As it was set up as a pusher with a big 3S 1300 battery in the nose, it was 340 grams, so it should be easy to shed enough weight to bring it under that magical 250 gram limit. So here's what I'm doing. Pulling off the pusher, I'm going to turn it into a tractor so that more weight out the front, we can use a lighter battery like a 2S 950. Pulled out the plywood skeg down the back. I may get rid of these metal linkage adjusters, possibly. We'll see how we go anyway. Cut the nose off flush. I'm going to put a little motor on the front there. Little 12 amp ESC. This should be fun. Let's see how we go. So there's about 235 grams. So that leaves us about 15 or so grams for an FPV setup. Well, that was ridiculously easy, a lot easier than I thought it would be. 230 or so grams. Could even save a little bit more weight if I had lighter push rod connectors and things like that. But I've even got enough for a micro FPV setup. Excellent. Let's go and try it out. Okay, maiden time for the under 250 gram Mini Surfer with FPV. Let's go. It's not actually maiden time, I have flown it before. I've been having a fair bit of trouble getting it flying actually because there's a lot of adverse yaw. But now with about 60% differential in the ailerons, it's going well. Flying on 2S would be more fun on 3S, I think. 950 milliamp hour battery. Under 250 grams with an Eachine all-in-one TX01, I think it is. Going well. Let's do some FPV. Woohoo! Okay, FPV time. And there we go. This is fun. Awesome. Working beautifully. Very fisheye view on the little Eachine TX01. Got to get used to it. But it works fine. How cool is this? No registration of craft or pilot required. Would benefit from a rudder. In fact, it probably would be better as a rudder elevator with no ailerons. I might even try that actually. I'd lose the weight of a servo and wouldn't have the sort of difficulty turning. Still doing it right though, not bad at all. Fly itself really. A little bit of wind's pushing it back, but this is cool. And we'll glide it in. Alright, we'll take off again. And we're home again. Excellent. So, very happy with that. That's going to work fine. 3S battery for a bit more pep. I'll try rudder elevator, no ailerons, and see how that goes. I reckon it'll work well. Thanks for watching. This is the rudder elevator version of the Mini Surfer sub 250. Let's see how it goes.